Magandang hapon po ng July 28, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng July 28, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, July 28, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 5 PM draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later' for 9 PM the result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for July 28, 2025, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Mega Lotto 645 for Monday, July 28, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for July 28, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.